All right, you guys. So since Meredith is kicking me out of the house, no, she's not kicking me out of the house. Her family's coming to visit, so they're coming to visit for a little bit. I'm about to go on a little adventure. So you guys are gonna come with me this week. I'm not in school as of right now. It's, what time is it, or what day? It is March 10th, and this is like a very typical college spring break time. So I have some other friends that are on spring break right now. So while Mara's family is here, I'm gonna go hang out with some friends on their spring break. And so yeah, you guys are just gonna come along with me this week. I have my ticket booked. So first, I'm only going 2 places. Tonight, I'm going to go hang out with Ava. We're gonna get some dinner, have a little sleepover, and then tomorrow morning, I'm zipping off to LA. So that is our first stop. Let me talk about something really quick that I feel like not a lot of people talk about. So that's offsetting your carbon footprint. So since I'm like flying around a little bit, planes are pretty bad for the environment, and it's not that expensive to offset your carbon footprint, which is basically just going to a trusted organization that does that, and you just put in where you're going. So like, it's gonna tell you. Goodbye. Bye, girl. Bye. Are we gonna talk about the fact, like, when the fuck did I have a spring break? And why am I acting like I have a spring break? Why am I literally acting like I have a spring break right now? It's 8 a.m. I just left Ava's. I'm so sorry. I did a freaking horrible job at vlogging. To the airport. I need a coffee. Actually, just had one, but I need another one. Another one. I just got some food. So it's like 7 a.m. I'm on my little couch bed. This is one of my, actually, I've been friends with Luna for a minute. I haven't really been to Luna's new house. Actually, I have. This is like the first time I'm actually kind of staying here. It's just so cozy, and Luna's just like always been such a safe and comfort person for me. I love this girl so much. Last night I got in a little bit later, and then we just like were catching up. And I just got ready immediately. We went to dinner, it was super nice. I went to a bar, which was like Miss 21, haha. My dumbass left my makeup bag at Ava's. I use Luna's makeup and stuff for now, but I'm thinking I'm gonna order some stuff to the house. Bare necessities, aka my own toothbrush. Hello. It's 1 o'clock. We got some groceries this morning. She took me to this place. It's like basic LA grocery store, and I got like way too much. I got a matcha, but I had a feeling the matcha would be bad, and I was right. So I got a cold brew just in case, and that was really good. Luna's gonna get home in about an hour, and so I'm going to shower off. And LoveShackFancy also they sent me their spring line, and so I'm gonna film a little TikTok for them, and I'm gonna unbox it. I'll actually unbox it with you guys. So let's cut to me showered and over there opening the box. Okay. All right, let's see. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Flawless. Flawless. All the clothes. Chef's kiss. Chef's kiss. Y'all. I feel like I'm getting an invite to the royal ball. Cute. We'll do the bikinis first. Okay. Oh my gosh, when I saw these, I was like, I feel like I'm gonna be like, this is Barbie, full on Barbie material. I feel like I'm gonna be like a kid again in these swimsuits, and I am so obsessed. Are you? Wow. All right, I'll show you guys this other swimsuit because this one too is just like, they're so pretty. Like, it's not even like a Barbie collection. I don't know why, it's just really reminding me of the good old days when I was 6. It's really like the stitching between like the florals and the polka dots. Like, it is too good. It is too good. Okay. This skirt is so cute. Like, this is adorable. I'm obsessed. Okay, Love Shack. Thank you. Oh, this is incredible. I want to wear this like today, kind of. This is beautiful. You guys, thank you so much, Love Shack, if you're watching this. Wow. Last but not least, this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful blue and white dress. This is so elegant. Gorgeous. So freaking gorgeous. So yeah, I woke up at 6 a.m. to go to the airport. I'd gotten like 3 hours of sleep, and then I was sleepy, so I went all the way to the airport, and that's when I found out my flight was very late and there was not a lot of flights out until later that night. I thought, why not make the best out of it? We absolutely do not waste our days in this household. So I was like, all right, I'll go get some coffee and I'll make the best out of my day, and then I'll just take a red eye to Florida because it's what had to be done. Sunday morning. What a mess, dude. Oh my gosh. How do you like it?
Yeah, it's tasty.
Good, yeah.
Yeah, good.
Okay. I'm actually early to my flight for once. I had to upgrade to this red eye. There was only one flight left. Like, there were no flights and they were all like so expensive. So I already had my JetBlue credit, and then I had to pay more for this flight, but it's a non-stop. It's getting me to Fort Lauderdale 5:30 a.m. and then Lexi and Jack and Lisette are picking me up, and I think we're going straight to Universal. So I have not gotten any sleep. My ass better be sleeping on this plane. Otherwise, I'm screwing myself over. See you on the plane. Got a solid 2 hours of sleep. But we're in Florida, baby. JetBlue kind of fucked me over this morning. But I'm not gonna lie, I had a really good day. And then their first class was insanely expensive, but it was the only seat left. But it was honestly such a great experience. They gave me a goodie bag. Like, are you kidding me? They gave me juice this morning. They gave me a cold brew. I took the eye mask and the mints and the socks. Like, what the okay.
They're like, oh yeah, that's not moisturizer.
That's definitely not moisturizer.
Yo, pull up. Us pulling up to Florida for no reason. I'm doing it.
Stepping on hero.
Yo, congrats on 2 million views.
Thank you, Mom.
No, Colby put it
And
together.
Guys, that's
Yes.
Oh, that is so cute.
Wendy's. We are taking tequila shots. I think I lost my wallet. My purse. Yesterday. I don't know where it is, but yes, I was a dumb bitch, but I got it back. We got the purse back. I look like a bird.
A bird?
I look like a bird.
Wait here. Hey team.
Oh, Lexi. I go Lexi. I go Lisette. I go Lisette.
Set us up.
So basic.
Oh shit.
So basic.
This is not my. This is not my.
Wait, just hold it. Just hold it.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, it's good.
Okay. So basically, last night, Universal was really fun.
Oh, the Velocity.
We went to Universal for 2 days, and I don't know, like, I feel like that just didn't happen.
No, it didn't.
Jack, look, clearly Jack was at Universal.
Spider-Man.
Oh yeah.
Spider-Man in the flesh.
He goes, hey. Oh, and now what we're trying to do is we're driving back to Lexi's house right now, but I'm trying to bully my sister into coming to hang out with us because she won't. I'm literally offering to buy. I'm literally trying to buy her. I said I'll pay for your Uber. I'll pay for your ticket. Just get over here because she's literally like one airport away. Like it's just like a little like skirt. Like
We're in the same state.
we're in the same state, and she's on spring break, and I'm like, dude, I don't ever see you. Like, just come hang out with my friends and I for like 2 nights. So we're gonna see if we can pull that off. That's in the works.
We're going fishing tomorrow.
Yes.
In the middle of the ocean.
I go, yes. I never fish. I go, yes,
Oh,
fishing.
it's so fun.
Taco walk, Lexi's neighborhood edition. We're about to shower and then eat some food. And guys, I was like a freaking spy agent booking Ella's thing. I never see her, and the fact that she's just a plane ride away, I was like, no. You know what? I'm gonna see my sister. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna have fun. And she's also never met Jack or Lisette, so I think Lisette and her are gonna be best friends. Just watch. I have a feeling.
I'm picking up the fuck queen. Hi girl, I literally can't hear anything.
What time is it?
I don't know. That's 9, it's literally 9 a.m.
Cheers! Yes, bitch! Go, go, go! Oh, sexy. Woo! Yeah! Hey! Okay, so that was the first few days of my fake spring break that I literally made up for myself. But I had so much fun in LA. Literally, I'm obsessed with Luna. Universal was so much fun. Boat day, so much fun. And I still vlogged more in Florida, so you guys will see what other fun stuff we were up to. I just thought this was like a fun, casual iPhone vlog. And yeah, I hope you guys liked it. I love you very much. And I hope you're having a blessed, beautiful, amazing, wonderful, awesome day. I'll see you soon. Bye.
Cinderella.
Yes, down.
Oh, you got a friend in me. You got. Oh, what? In Toy Story.
Yeah.
Oh, your favorite movie. Your favorite. Batman.
Yep.
Yeah.